today I'm going to have a go at making cream limoncello. Last time we made some limoncello. We made 3 bottles. They're lasting at the moment, which is good. So today we're going to do cream limoncello. Pretty much the same sort of idea. We're going to cut up some lemon rind. We're going to put it into the vodka. The big difference is that we're using double the amount of lemon. We have to make it very strong because by the time we dilute it with milk and cream and sugar, you'll lose some of the lemon flavour. Sadly though, the alcohol level will be a little bit less. So I'm going to start cutting all of these lemons, getting the lovely rind off them, and I'll get back to you once I have done that part of the process. Well, I've now peeled the rind off our 8 lemons and we're going to be putting them into half a bottle of vodka. As I said, this is significantly more lemon for the amount of vodka. While I'm doing this, I've reminded myself that I need to practice my Khmer a bit more. So here's just a little bit. Salsadai, Nyom Chimoa, David. Tanyai ni, Nyom, Twermahot, Limoncello cream. I think that's enough, actually. Back to English. So, all of that lemon is now being forced down the throat of this vodka bottle. And you may recall that we used this number of lemons for a full bottle of vodka. Smells good. What's going to happen is that we're going to store this in a dark place, give it a shake every day, and when we give it a shake, the more of the citrus oil will come out and the colour will change, and perhaps after about 2 weeks to 3 weeks we will then make up a sugar solution. We will add some milk and some cream, and then we store it again for a further 10 days before we can try it. So it's a little bit more protracted than the other limoncello. From start to finish with the other limoncello, normally 10 days is plenty, and we've got it done. So once all the lemon's in there, it's nearly all in there. Oh, this is slow. There's a lovely little shop here in Siem Reap that actually infuses rice wine, and you can go in there for free tastings, and they have all sorts of flavours ranging from the fruits but also to pepper. And a friend of Kathy and I, he said that he attempted pepper infused vodka. I think he said he almost blew the head off someone when they had it. The pepper was that strong. I still would like to try this with a bit of chilli. Nearly done. Okay, there's our lemon peel, or a lemon rind. As we've done before, these lemons here, we can juice, put them into ice cubes and freeze them for later use. And we simply give it a good shake. And you'll see the colour is already coming out of it now, but I'm going to shake that now every day for possibly 10 days. So that's it for the first stage of the limoncello cream. After 2 weeks of soaking the lemon in the vodka, we're going to do the next steps towards making our cream limoncello. Simply speaking, in a pot I'm going to dissolve 1 kilogram of sugar, that's a lot of sugar, 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of fresh milk, and I'm going to put them together in a pot and cook them until the sugar is dissolved. And now this mixture of the sugar, cream and milk has been going long enough to dissolve the sugar completely. Looks like a thin, opaque, condensed milk and tastes just as sweet as well. This will now come off the heat and we'll chill it down to as cold as we can get it before we add it to the lemon infused vodka. And now we have the lemon infused vodka that we prepared a couple of weeks ago. And we'll strain out the lemon. And what we are left with is a beautiful deep lemony colour that we'll add our sugar milk cream syrup to. Slightly cloudy, but we don't need to filter this through the coffee filter because with the cream and milk you won't see the cloudiness. So that's the next stage of preparing our creamy limoncello. Here's our lemon infused vodka, our sugar, milk and cream solution that's been cooked so that the sugar can dissolve and cool down to room temperature, and a couple of vodka bottles that I've had boiling water in them to make sure that they're sterile. So what we'll do now is we'll just mix the sugar and milk solution in with the lemon vodka. Wish all cooking was this easy. And that's it. What we'll do next is put it into the bottles and we'll keep it in the fridge for 7 to 10 days and then we get a chance to taste it. Okay. And into the bottle we go. So it looks as though this recipe that had half a litre of vodka is going to give us about 1.5 litres of cream limoncello. 1 bottle. Yeah, pretty right, just over 1.5 litres. Well, that won't last long in this house. So, simply now, put the lids on them, put them in the fridge, and don't touch them for 7 to 10 days. That's our creamy limoncello.